As we all know, snow can make or break a trip, and whether you're searching for snow or simply trying to stay away from it altogether, planning a successful winter expedition stems around accurate and up-to-date information.
Lucky for us, the onX app has the ability to change our activity type from snow to dirt. So now it's coming into fall, snow is starting to hit the mountains, and we are gonna go to the activity tab, we're gonna select snow, we're gonna click that little snowmobile icon, and now we can select the different types of information that we want to have applied. We'll do all of these, and boom, we've got everything we need to plan our trip.
It goes without saying that Avalanche Danger is important information to have to make sure that you can get home safe, and having the snowmobile trails highlighted in purple can help give you the right information so you can decide where to ride.
It's also worth mentioning that with Elite membership, you get access to private land ownership data, and this will come in handy when it comes to planning your trip, and it could even come in handy in case of a snow emergency. I hope that this video helped you out in some way, and hope to see you on the trail sometime.